the U.S. Peacekeeper gun case, JK. This is not the main thing that we're reviewing. It's something unique. It is the first gun I've ever purchased, and the case was $5 at Parabellum in Avon, Indiana. I legally had to have it in a case because it's the store rules and that's public rules too. It was $99. I originally didn't intend to buy one, but I looked down and my sister and I had just gotten done firing ARs. We had just gotten done firing a suppressed 9mm, and we were just looking while they were checking out my Springfield Model 84C rifle to make sure it was safe to fire and stuff. And I just happened to see this. I do see why it was $99. It is chipped right here, as you can tell, on one of the grips. It would probably be $150 if it wasn't chipped, so I will have to get these replaced. They're like $25 to $60, and if you get it customized, over $100 sometimes. This side is perfectly fine. It is H+R Gardner, Massachusetts, USA. A H+R Model 940, 22 LR rounds, so caliber rounds it takes is 22. So that's cheap. At Parabellum, 22s are $5.99, and it has 9 for you to load. You can load up 9. Get 9 shots. This is great from what I've researched for robbers, muggers. You're alone in an alley and someone's coming up behind you. This is great for that kind of stuff. In Indiana, you have to be 21 to carry handguns and 18 for rifles and stuff like that. So it's a very nice weapon. And Parabellum doesn't sell any guns that do not shoot. They test them all. They don't clean them unless you ask them to. And they will check your rifles and guns. Like if you got inherited from your grandparents, they will check those. Good.